Running a laundry efficiently isn't always easy. Downtime, complex setups, and unclear alarms can slow production and impact performance. And when a machine stops, the reason isn't always obvious. Laundries may waste valuable time trying to understand what's wrong. Traditional manuals make troubleshooting slow and complicated. Searching through pages takes time, and production remains on hold. That's why we created iJOS, the new intuitive Jensen operating system. With iJOS, the machine shows exactly what's happening inside. The digital twin visualizes every component in real time and highlights the exact error location instantly. Just like a modern printer shows exactly where a jam is, iJOS highlights the issue instantly, in clear visual detail. With iJOS, the operator gets everything needed to solve the issue instantly. Real-time visualization, exact error location, and clear guidance on what to do next. iJOS brings together powerful features designed to keep your laundry running. Plug-and-play programs make setup simple and repeatable, with no need for a Jensen technician. Laundry staff can easily create and adjust their own programs without a manual or contacting Jensen. Real-time data gives full control and total transparency over production. List of alarms sorted by type, time, and frequency, so issues become easier to understand and quicker to resolve. Together, these features deliver the core strengths of iJOS. Maximum uptime, full control, and total transparency thanks to an intuitive interface, as well as fully empowered operators. With iJOS, the whole team works confidently and independently, keeping production running smoothly at all times. iJOS, the new benchmark in laundry automation.